Hello friends, this is Atal Bansal from Qualifying the UGC NET by Passion. Friends, in the last videos, I was discussing about Trojan War, Oedipus the King, and all the tragedians, what kind of works they produced in the classical period as well as in the archaic period. Friends, continuing the Greek literature, today I'll be giving you the most important informations regarding the UGC NET exam as far as the Greek literature is concerned. Friends, the form of drama, the most important form of drama, tragedy, I have already discussed in my last video. Friends, before discussing another form of drama, that is comedy, I'll be discussing what kind of things you need to keep in your mind while sitting in the exam, while solving the questions related to drama. Friends, keep one thing in your mind always, that whenever ever literature is produced, it is highly taken from the political structure of the time when the literature was produced. I am sure while knowing all these things, political structure of the time when the work was produced and all the activities which are going around when the work was produced, it may help you a lot while memorizing all the facts, all the works about a particular author. Friends, as I told you in the last video, Trojan War and Oedipus the King, both these two stories are the base of most of all the tragedies written in the classical period by Achilles, by Euripide, and by Sophocles. These were the most important tragedians of that time, and definitely the question sets from these tragedies. So, if you want to study tragedies in detail, you should be knowing Oedipus the King and Trojan War. Friends, I have given you just an idea about the Oedipus the King and Trojan War. As all of you know, it's very tough to discuss all the things within the matter of 15 or 20 minutes video. So I just give you, my work is just to give you the idea and just to guide you what to study, how much to study, and in what way to study. Friends, comedy is also very important part of the drama. Today, I'll be doing my best to tell you how much comedy is important from the exam's point of view. Friends, I'll be also telling, while giving you this video, I'll be giving you also the points where the question can set. Friends, I have already told you and reiterating again and again that Greek literature starts from archaic period and then classical period, Hellenistic period, and then romantic periods and so on. Friends, I tell you the form of drama, tragedy, comedy, and satire. These are the most important forms of the drama. Tragedies we have already discussed, and now comedy. Friends, in the Greek literature, Aristophanes and Menander are the biggest names as far as comedy is concerned. Friends, Aristophanes produced a lot of works. As I told you, what kind of political structure was going on when Aristophanes produced his works is the most important thing to consider while studying the comedy of the classical literature and Greek literature. Friends, Peloponnesian War. This is one thing you have to keep in your mind. when it started, what were the causes of Peloponnesian War. All the literature which was written around Peloponnesian War was inspired by this very fact. Friends, most of the Aristophanes' works are inspired by this Peloponnesian War. Friends, to study the works of any author, you should very well acquainted with the environment of that particular period of time when the poet was living and when the poet was writing those works, which were the most important works of that poet. Now, question comes: what kind of question may come in the exam from the comedy? I remember one question came in the exam. It was a direct question. What is comedy? What is the actual meaning of comedy? So every one of you know Aristotle also defined comedy in his work, in his Poetics. So comedians mainly caricature political activists and political people and the people who are of the higher value in the society, celebrities, you can say. Aristophanes also did that. From exam point of view, you should know who was the Cleon. Cleon. Cleon was a king of that time from Greek side. Peloponnesian War was being fought in between Greeks and other states of Greek. The states of Sparta and other states like Corinth, like so many states were out there. In fact, we don't need to go into so deep into that. Just remember one thing, that Peloponnesian War was going on, and everything is written and inspired by the Peloponnesian War. Aristophanes' most important works, according to me, I have already told you in my last videos that question can come from anywhere, and study as much as possible and as deep as possible so that you can understand the literature in a way that not only the literature's point of view but also from political point of view you should know what was happening around. Friends, Aristophanes produced a lot of works, and he is concerned with the old comedy. Comedy, you can define if you want to define the comedy in the types, you can define it: old comedy, middle comedy, and new comedy. Old comedy was definitely dedicated to Aristophanes, and new comedy was produced by Menander. Menander, I haven't seen in the exams too many questions coming from Menander. So you just should know that Menander was producing the new comedy works. And Aristophanes, I have seen the questions coming in the exam. Aristophanes had become the synonym of comedy. He caricatured everybody in his works. Everybody who was the celebrity at that time, especially named Cleon. In the exams, the question can come: who the popular character was to who Aristophanes was caricaturing in his works regularly. So the answer is Cleon. Friends, I'll be quoting the most important works from Aristophanes. Clouds. You don't need to go into so deep into cloud, what was the story and what happened. You just keep in mind 2 or 3 things about cloud. one thing which is the most important about the cloud is Socrates, the philosopher, was tried and hanged because of this work of Aristophanes, according to a lot of people. Lot of people includes Plato. According to Plato, Socrates' trial and execution was inspired by the work of Aristophanes, and that was the cloud. Cloud is known for the trial of Socrates. This is the question that can come in the exam. His second work, Babylon. Babylon is the work of Aristophanes that doesn't exist today. That is totally lost work. But it is known by the fact that Aristophanes produced Babylon that was known for criticizing the polis. This is the very important work from Aristophanes. Polis, P-O-L-I-S. That is the question for the exam. Polis means city in the Greek. According to Kilion, the super personality, I have already told you at that time, that Polis was caricatured, Polis was criticized by this very work, Babylon, by the Aristophanes. And then Aristophanes took the revenge from the Kilion by mercilessly caricaturing him in his very next work, Knights. K-N-I-G-S-T, Knight. The question may come, which is the work from the works of Aristophanes where Kilion was mercilessly caricatured? This is Knight. Another work from Aristophanes is Lysistrata. Friends, Lysistrata, from fun point of view, very interesting story. Friends, Lysistrata is the story also set by the Aristophanes for ending the Peloponnesian War by something new. Lysistrata is a story where the girls have decided to have the peace in between these two states which were fighting the Peloponnesian War, and they had different ideas how to stop the war. And the idea was they were asked to deny the sex. This is very strange thing. Very strange and very new also. And from today's scenario, it looks very odd that at that time, in classical time, females were thinking to stop the Peloponnesian War with the help of denying the sex to men. In fact, I tell you a little bit more. Sex was the one thing that used to be very much important for the male point of view. They had very much fond of that in Greek time. So women were continuously asking for a peace by denying the sex. Another work from Aristophanes is The Birds. The Birds is a mockery of the democracy. You should be knowing one point. The Birds is a mimicry or criticizing the democracy. Friends, another work from Aristophanes was the work where the two tragedians took place, Achilles and Euripide. This is the question that can come in the exam, which is the work which Aristophanes dedicated to Achilles and Euripide. Friends, try to find out what was the work, and also inform me in my message box that which was the work. And that is the important question that may come from Aristophanes. So, friends, it was Aristophanes. Now, question comes: what was the difference in between old comedy and new comedy? Friends, technically, there were so many differences in old comedy and new comedy, but one difference that is the most important difference is of parabasis. Absence of parabasis in the new comedy is the difference in between old comedy and new comedy. So, friends, I have given you idea about to study Aristophanes, what to study. So, friends, study it in detail. I'm just helping you whatever I can. So, this is for now. Thank you.